Alright guys, I'm back with the second part of this video, and yeah, we re-caught the bird and we decided to put it up in the tree to see if it'll like take, but it's not really wanting to go there. So I really don't know. I'm trying to place him there, but oh no, he fell. Aww. What should I do? Should I just let him be?
Kill it.
No, don't kill it. I'm posting this, man. Don't say shit like that. Well, I don't know. I'm just gonna let it live. I'm not gonna do anything. So, like I said in the first video, give this. Well, I'm ending it.
Jay, where's the
Have a
bird?
good day.
Jay,